Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to change a YouTube channel name. So this is very easy. You just have to open your YouTube, and then once you're here on your channel, then you have to click your profile and then look for YouTube Studio. Tap this one. Here on your YouTube Studio, you have to scroll down and look for customization. Tap this one here. And then you have to look for basic information under channel customization. That is next to branding. Tap this one and you will see your channel name right here. And in order to change this, all you have to do is to simply tap and then change. And you have to remember you can change your name twice in 14 days. So be careful about this. Now, in order to change, you just have to delete and then add the desired name for your channel. For example, from Andrea Films, I want to change my channel name to Andrea Historical Events or Andrea Historic Side. And then after that, you can scroll down here to add more information about your channel. Then once you're okay and done, then what you're going to do next is to click publish, and then you have to wait as it is processing, and then you will be notified that change has published, so you can go to your channel. But as you can see, it takes time to see the results. So what you're going to do here is you have to click, or you have to tap this reload here or refresh time to time, or you can click your profile and then tap this view channel right here. Okay, so let me tap my profile, click view channel. As you can see, it's already changed. So you just have to keep refreshing and reloading till you see the result. But this is how you simply change your YouTube channel name here. So I really hope it somehow help you. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.